Welcome to this English comprehension practice session. To get the most of this session, remember to take notes on the passage as you watch it. You can then use the notes to find answers to the questions quickly. Okay, let us get started. India's journey in space exploration has been both inspiring and groundbreaking. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, established in 1969, has propelled the nation to the forefront of space technology with a series of successful missions. Notably, the Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan missions have placed India among the elite group of countries capable of complex space exploration. The Chandrayaan 1 mission, launched in 2008, marked India's first lunar probe. It was pivotal in confirming the presence of water molecules on the moon's surface. This discovery has profound implications for future lunar exploration and the possibility of establishing a human base on the moon. Following this success, ISRO launched Chandrayaan 2 in 2019, which aimed to further explore the lunar surface and gather more detailed information about its mineral composition and topography. In a continuation of these efforts, Chandrayaan 3 was launched to attempt a targeted landing on the moon, focusing on demonstrating the ability to perform a soft landing and operate a rover on the lunar surface. Mangalyaan, or the Mars Orbiter mission, was another feather in ISRO's cap. Launched in 2013, it made India the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit and the first in the world to do so in its maiden attempt. The mission's success showcased India's growing expertise and cost-effective approach to space exploration. The data collected by Mangalyaan continues to contribute to the global understanding of Mars. Additionally, ISRO has developed a range of satellites that benefit society in areas such as weather forecasting, telecommunications, and geographic mapping. These advancements have not only enhanced India's capabilities in space, but also improved the lives of its citizens. Looking to the future, ISRO has ambitious plans for further exploration. Projects like Gaganyaan, which aims to send Indian astronauts into space, and a planned mission to Venus, highlight India's commitment to continuing its exploration of the cosmos. The progress in these areas demonstrates India's role as a major player in the global space community. Okay, now that you have seen the passage and taken some notes, try to answer the questions based on the passage. What was significant about the Chandrayaan 1 mission? Which mission made India the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit? Find the synonym of groundbreaking as used in the passage. What is an antonym for complex in the context of space missions mentioned in the passage? Based on the passage, what is one of ISRO's future projects? Hope you enjoyed this learning session. You can find more such passages at quizforyou.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more.